Dear business owner, do you want your business to grow and prosper? Of course, you do. But in order to achieve that, you need to be able to adapt to change. You need to know about exigence management system, which is art of growing business in crisis. Change is inevitable and it comes in many forms, from new technologies to shifts in the economy, from changes in consumer behavior to new competition. And if you want to thrive in the fast-paced, ever-changing business world, it's time to invest in exigence management. Change is inevitable in today's business world. Whether it is due to rapidly evolving market complexities or technological advancements, changes are necessary for businesses to stay competitive. However, managing change can be a challenging task. Resistances, lack of proper planning, or unclear communication can derail the implementation process, leading to disastrous outcomes. For business owners to stay successful, they must implement change management, that is exigence management. Change management is all about planning, organizing, and guiding individuals and teams to accept and adapt to new strategies, processes, and technologies. It provides a structured approach that enables people associated with business to manage the transition process seamlessly. It also ensures the sustainability of change. Implementing change is not a one-time process. It is an ongoing practice that requires persistence and consistency. With proper change management, the business owner can ensure that the change is sustainable and adaptive. The business owner can use continuous monitoring and evaluation to identify areas of improvement and make necessary adjustments, ensuring the change is embedded in the business culture. With proper change management, business owners can mitigate these costs by creating actionable plans that prioritize cost effectiveness. Change management also ensures that the project is delivered on time, which can reduce the cost of the project. Change management is vital to the success of businesses in today's ever-changing environment. Business owners must be proactive in managing change to stay competitive and thrive in the long term. With proper change and exigence system management, businesses can implement new strategies, technologies, and processes successfully. Change management is a process that helps businesses transition from their current state to a desired state. In conclusion, exigence management is a powerful tool that can help your business grow and prosper in today's fast-paced business world. By investing in change management, you can increase productivity, improve employee engagement, achieve better customer outcomes, increase agility, and foster a culture of innovation. And with proven frameworks and methodologies available, there's never been a better time to get started. Don't get left behind, embrace exigence management and take your business to the next level. If you want tutorial to learn about exigence and change management, check out the link for best deal below in the description.